Hello everyone, Moray here. I'm here with another interesting activity. Today we are going to be doing napkin foldings. Now, we all do dinners and lunches and buffets in our homes, and we like to decorate our tables and host in a beautiful manner. So, here today I'm going to show you a few different ways of doing napkins for your festive occasions at home with friends and family. So let's begin. The first one, of course, either you do it on a paper napkin or on a cloth napkin. Make sure that you have a nice, even napkin with you. So we're going to take our napkin and fold it into a triangle and start rolling it. Remember being a kid when you used to do a lot of paper craft? So this is quite similar to that. Now fold it up to the part where you have almost about 6 to 7 inches left. You turn it around and you start folding your napkin, rolling from the side all the way to the end. And here you have a little crease where you can tuck in your loose end so that your napkin doesn't open, and you tuck it in nicely and secure it. Now what we're going to do is turn our napkin around, open up these two leaves, turn our napkin, and there we go. We have our beautiful rose with two leaves on the sides. So this, you can do it in different colors for the festive occasions. You can have different color settings. Here I have a beautiful display on my platter, which is the charger here. This also I've made, so one day I will do a class and we can learn how to make this charger. We have a nice set of plates, and on top we have our napkin. Okay, so now we're going to do another one. Again, we need our napkin. We open it up, and now we're going to start folding the way we used to do paper fans. We're going to go all the way towards the half of the napkin, and once we reach that, we turn it over and fold on top of the folded sides, even out our side of the napkin, bring it down, fold it back, and then open it, and we're going to put it on our plate. So here we go. That's another way of decorating your napkin. Okay, so now it's turn for our third napkin. Here I'm taking paper napkins, and just for some interest I've done two different kinds of napkins and I have put them one on top of each other. So first thing is that I'm going to take and make a triangle again, fold it in, making the edges nice and crisp, then taking one end, taking it all the way up, folding it again, and I'm going to do the same with the other edge. Then I'll take the outer part, bring it right in again, and the same for the other side. Here we're going to flip it around. We're going to take our top part, bring it down, hold it, and then the other part. And here you can see the contrast. You can do any color scheme that you want, but the interesting part is that you get a little pocket that you can put your cutlery in, and then place it on top of your plate. There you go. So that's your third way of making your table really beautiful. Okay, so now we're going to do our fourth kind. Again, we take our napkin, we open it up, make a triangle towards you, making sure all your edges are correct. Fold it into half, taking your corner all the way up, and then another half. Turn it around. Put your finger here. Bring the flap down. Put your finger here. Bring the other flap down. Now I'll take my napkin ring and put one side of the napkin through and pull it out. There we go. Up. Here we get a beautiful bow and we put it on our plate. So here we have 4 beautiful ways of decorating your holiday season table layouts. Your friends and family, I'm sure, are going to appreciate all the effort that you've put in. Take care till we see each other again. Bye.